Hello, American Patriots. Douglas Ducote here. Yesterday, I put out a video about Michael Avenatti, aka the creepy porn lawyer. And after I had it posted and up on YouTube, I thought to myself, damn it, I forgot to say something. What I wanted to say was the only thing that could have made this day any better, hearing that he was arrested, would have been if Hillary Clinton was being looked at again, and this time on a serious note. Now that we have a new Justice Department head. Well, I'll be damned if things aren't just starting to roll in a good direction for us. But first, before I get into that, let me ask you, please subscribe to my channel, ring the little bell, so that I can get my message out there to everybody, share it on social media, let people know that if you want to hear the true, real news and not fake news, I'm your man. I'm the person you need to listen to because I do my homework, I pay attention to what's happening, I listen to all the different networks spin on issues, and then I bring it to you plain black and white and no gray area, and you can take it and either believe it or chuck it out the window, either way. But if you go Google it and you look it up and you do your own homework, you'll realize that you're getting factual information. And if I'm ever wrong, point me out on it. I'll be the first person to step up and say, okay, I made a mistake. Thank you. Anyhow, let's get right to this. So, Hillary Clinton, you know, the lady who's gotten off of everything like Teflon. Well, breaking news that's not being covered by anyone at the moment. Fox News tonight had just a little bitty blurb that came across the screen about it. CNN's not covering it, MSNBC's not covering it, ABC, NBC, CBS, nobody's covering this. But I'm going to, and maybe by tomorrow it will hit the main news media outlets. Here we go. Judicial Watch announced today that U.S. District Court Judge Emmett G. Sullivan ruled that within 30 days Hillary Clinton must answer under oath 2 additional questions about her controversial email system. Yes, indeed. In 2016, Clinton was required to submit under oath written answers to Judicial Watch questions. Clinton rejected and refused to answer questions about the creation of the email system, her decision to use the system despite warnings from the State Department's cybersecurity officials, and the basis for her claim that the State Department had 90 to 95% of her emails. So, where are we going with this? After a lengthy hearing that took place yesterday, Judge Sullivan ruled that Clinton must answer at least 2 of the questions that she refused to answer under oath. Number 1, she must describe the creation of the ClintonEmail.com system, including who decided to create the system, the date it was decided to be created, why it was created, who set it up, and when it became operational. Number 2, during your October 22nd, 2015 appearance before the U.S. House of Representatives Select Committee on Benghazi, you testified that 90 to 95% of your emails were in the state system, and if they wanted to see them, they would certainly have been able to do so. You've just been caught, madam. Identify the basis for this statement, including all facts for which you relied in support of the statement, how and when you became aware of these facts, and if you were made aware of these facts by or through another person, identify the person who made you aware of these facts. That is correct, Hillary Clinton. You testified under oath one thing, and James Comey identified something totally different. Interesting, I would say. Judge Sullivan read his opinion from the bench, deciding that the question about the creation of the email system was within the scope of discovery. Judge Sullivan rejected Clinton's assertion of attorney-client privilege on the question about the emails in the state system. So, folks, Why is nobody else reporting this? Maybe later tonight, maybe tomorrow, hopefully before the weekend arrives. But what I just told you is 100% straight out of Washington, D.C. and Judicial Watch. You can find it on their website. Bring it up on judicialwatch.org. It is the top thing at the moment. And why is it that they have to file lawsuits on our behalf to get information that our government has been unable to get from Hillary Clinton for years? Hopefully, the drum roll has started and other entities will now get involved and do their damn job and bring justice to this criminal atmosphere that surrounds the Clintons for years. As always, please say a prayer for our men and women serving the United States military, our veterans, our law enforcement officers, first responders, our president, our country. And pray that the Lord will see to it that everyone is treated the same in our justice system, regardless of what your last name is or how much damn money you have or do not have. Hope everybody has a wonderful and blessed evening. And for now, I'm Douglas Ducote, and I'm out.